G'day and welcome to this week's property market update. Hope you're having a great week. Lots to unpack again this week. As always, you can check it out at martinuzzi.com.au, the full report there, and plenty more resources and tools for you, whether you're buying or selling, to help you on your next property moves. Check it out at martinuzzi.com.au. So this week, the RBA did meet on Tuesday and they have pushed that cash rate up, now sitting at 3.85 percentage points. To put that in perspective, for the average mortgage holder in Brisbane, about $200 a month in mortgage repayment increase. And for Sunshine Coast homeowners, somewhere between $120 to $150 a month in mortgage repayment. So that does hit the wallet, obviously, for mortgage holders, but it's not significant. As a friend said to me the other day, a lot of people spend more on Uber Eats per week than that mortgage increase. But it will dampen spirits a little bit in the property market. However, we are seeing a buoyant start to the year. Brisbane is surging 1.6% growth in January. Sunshine Coast is up about 12% year on year. So we're seeing a lot of strong activity in these areas, and that's because there is a significant shortage of property availability. So that's keeping property prices firm and moving upwards as well. So I expect that to continue despite that recent interest rate hike. Looking at the median house prices here on the Sunshine Coast, it's now reported to sit around $1.285 million, with units sitting around $955,000. And majority of the suburbs on the Sunshine Coast now with an average price of $1 million plus to get into the property market. So that's huge. And we don't expect that to slow down anytime in the first 6 months of 2026. Potentially in the second 6 months, it'll really depend on what that cash rate continues to do. But the inflation rose again, and that's why the RBA made that decision to put that cash rate up. And they think it could be the first of a multiple rate rises over the next 6, 12, 18 months. So watch this space. I did speak to one of our partner brokers this yesterday, and his strong suggestion was to maybe look at fixing your interest rates if you're currently sitting on a variable interest rate. And for buyers, as always, I still see so many buyers coming through wanting to make offers that aren't yet pre-approved. Get yourself pre-approved, get yourself in a strong position, because the market is tough. There's a lot of competition for good homes out there. And if you're going in there up against buyers that are pre-approved, you may not be in a strong position. So make sure you speak to a broker, your bank, get yourself a pre-approval letter and make your offer strong. That is my advice for you this week. As always, check it out at martinuzzi.com.au. Full report there. You can jump on the phone, give us a call, send us an email, or PM us on socials if that's where you're watching this. And I would love to help you on your next property journey. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.